Hey Aquarius, getting ready to do your reading. Oopsies. This is going to be from Aquarius. Your energies are too much. Um, okay, my candle just went off. Anyway, um, this is going to be from the 9th of October till the 16th of October. Oopsie. Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. You feel beat about something. What's wrong, Aquarius? Okay. Some kind of happy news is going to be coming. Card at the bottom of the deck, Page of Cups. You've got the Knight of Cups as well. Amazing, great energies, Aquarius. Offers, love offers, um, offers to follow your passion. Lot of offers, guys. You're coming from an energy where you felt beat, you felt not good, not so good enough. You felt um, that things were very unfair. Somebody left you out in the cold, but that energy is changing. You're finally getting some good news, a great offer. Some of you could be getting engaged. Yeah, this connection ended horribly. It could have been a very immature person that you were with, or it could have been a person who was trying to control you with their traditional mindsets and their upbringings. Whatever it ended in a horrible way. Yeah, Aquarius. But I feel you're getting your power back. You are trying to contemplate things that work for you. You're trying to be better at what you do. You're trying to, um, you know, reach new conclusions, start new things, surround yourself with better people, people who don't have secrets, actually, you know. I'm also getting the energy that you are isolating yourself to concentrate on what you truly want, Aquarius. Yeah. If you've been through trying times, don't worry, it's all changing and going towards a better future. I also feel that this person that you were involved with held onto your head, not literally, but they had that um, effect on you where you couldn't think beyond them for the longest time, even after this relationship ended. But that energy is slowly going out. You are letting it go because you know it doesn't serve you anymore. Guys, you need to let yourself receive love. You need to spread love and be receptive to love. If you're feeling bogged down by negative thoughts, sadness, or something like that, exercise, move your body so that the release of endorphins can help you get happy thoughts, feel lighter. When you're tired, you sleep well. Make a date for a play day with one of your friends. Like, go out on just an outing. Um, because of course you can't go to public areas right now. Most of the countries are still under lockdown, but you can always call your friend over or go to their place, indulge in a movie and popcorn session. And trust me, whatever you're going through, these trying times, it's all going to come to an end, and it'll come to an end in a very peaceful manner. So don't worry. Things are changing in your favor. You've got the Wheel of Fortune card, you've got the World card, and it's wonderful energy to be in. Your commitment is being tested. In case you want to go back to this person, in case this person comes back knocking and saying, they want to change or something and they want to give this relationship another shot, I feel you will be taking it. I feel you will take this offer. Probably this is the person who's coming back offering you something. And I feel this could turn out to be better than what it was, but take your time, Aquarius. There's no hurry. There are a lot of people in this world. It's not the only one. And try and talk your things out. I do see better things for you. I see a happy ending for you. But this also has its challenges because this person is so orthodox and um, I shouldn't be using the word, but I think they're very stuck up in their mentality. So you need to work your way around it. You need to tell them that there have to be some kind of rules, some kind of terms and conditions. They cannot do what they did because it hurt you and things did not end very well in the past. So those things, those patterns need to leave this relationship and some kind of freshness needs to be brought in. Love, care, attention, equal treatment, all that is a part of a healthy relationship. Be each other's best friends first, then lovers, because that way you'll have each other's backs. Could be a Scorpio person you were dealing with, could be a Taurus, even a Cancer or Pisces. Whoever it was, you know who this person is, right, Aquarius? And if this person hasn't come in your life as yet, they will come and things like this would happen. So be prepared. Um, Even though it's a roller coaster, it's not the end of the world. You can deal with it. You're very strong, Aquarius. These are just minor bumps in the road. Take it as stepping stones and keep your eyes on the prize, Aquarius. Also, if this energy doesn't resonate with some people, there is some kind of good news coming your way. So, congratulations. That was your message. Thank you for watching, Aquarius. Bye.